Hello, welcome to week 6 of NTI education. I am going to tell you what our week assignments looks like. Remember that this week we are only here Monday through Thursday, and Friday you have off. So quickly looking at our lesson plans, we are going to start the book Coraline. Several of you have probably watched the movie. We're going to focus on chapter 1 and 2 on Monday and Wednesday. Here is the Google Forms to fill out after you have listened to the story. Now, Monday at 10 a.m. and Wednesday at 10 a.m. we're going to read it together and do activities together before the Google form. I highly recommend that you log in at 10 a.m. every day so that you can know the lesson and you'll be more likely to get a better grade because you're going to be learning what the lesson is. All right, so for writing, you're going to have a response to Coraline, and then we're going to do a Google Slides activity with vocabulary and then a flowcabulary. So if you go into our Google Classroom and go to classwork, and you go to writing, you'll see these vocabulary slides. So on the front, what you're going to do for each slide, write a full sentence using the vocabulary word and add a picture to support your sentence. Do not change the background. When you change the background, sometimes it's hard for us teachers to read and we want to be able to go through it pretty quickly. So please make sure that you do not change the background. All right, so the first word is attic. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the definition. It says a space or room just below the roof of a building. So if I want to write a full sentence, I'm going to make sure that my first letter is capitalized. So I'm going to say, we played hide and seek. I hid in the attic. Okay, so there's my sentence. You can change the font as long as it's something that you can read. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add a picture. So you're going to go over here to this mountain picture where it says insert image. You're going to go search the web. Then you're going to type in attic. And then you're going to drag the picture over. And now you have an attic. And that's all I'm asking you to do. You write a full sentence with the word. You can either highlight the word. That's really helpful. To us as we're grading it, you have to use the vocabulary word. And that's all you have to do for that. All right, so going back to our plans. For math, you have lesson 2.3 and 2.4. Many of you are not doing all of these. I need you to work hard, guys. It's adding decimals. It's not difficult. I'm going to post a video early Monday morning of what I expect you to do and some tips on how to add decimals. But pretty much it's a review of adding. If we keep going down here, you have a Newsy to read and then another KAT news quiz. So for Newsy, it's going to take you right to the website. And when you go to sign in, you're going to sign in with Google. And then you'll go to assignments. And that's where you'll click and read the story and take the quiz. So that is all our work for this week. Again, everything can be found in our Google Classroom classwork section underneath each of these. I am still keeping up the math assessment and the reading assessment from last week because a lot of you did not take it yet. It is not an option. You must take it. If you're waiting on Mr. Castellanos or Miss Doyle to contact you, then that's fine. But if you are someone else and I have not spoken with you about that, then that means you need to get on here and get busy. I know it's long. I know it's hard. It's okay. I just want you to do the best that you can. So without further ado, that is our lessons for this week. Remember that if you need anything, I'm here. You can call me, text me, write me a note on the stream, and you can see us in the morning at 10 a.m. when we log in together. So have a good night.